Dear student, today I'll start with my SQL features. So some of the advantages, all these things that I have discussed in my earlier videos. This here I'm going to discuss the features of the SQL. So what is the features of the SQL? First and foremost, open source and free of cost. That means you can easily download the MySQL from any part of the MySQL phase, and from there you can download the MySQL. For that you don't have to pay anything, isn't it? So that is an open source and available at free of cost in any of the site. You can download it, but before downloading you must be very much careful that when you are downloading at that time, any unwanted file, any cookies or any type of supported different type of files of that particular website from where you are downloading, that should not be downloaded. So before that you must confirm it that only the SQL will download, and other different type of files should not be downloaded, because it will show you the options for at the time of downloading what we're going to download and all. So you must be very careful about that particular thing. Next, what we say, portability. What is portability? Portability means which you can carry from one place to another, isn't it? So this means what? This is also a portability features is there. That means you will carry it. What do you will carry? Carry means, suppose you have done in your machine the particular some datas with the data dictionary, isn't it, or your database. So as after you completed it, you take it from your machine and you put it some other machine. Suppose in your machine you have an operating system of Linux. When you are taking in another machine, you have their Windows or Mac. Now certainly what happened when you find it that when you are taking from one particular platform to another platform, your software will not support that particular hardware system and it will not going to work, isn't it? But here it is not so. If you take that particular work to some other platform, like here I have here it is written, I have given it like Linux or my Windows or Mac, whatever it is. So wherever you are taking, you can easily work on that particular platform, okay, without any type of hurdles. That is the thing is known as an portability. Portability means to carry. Now here, what to carry? Question rises that what you will carry? Will you carry your all the total computer or laptop or your total software? No, that is not. You will take only the particular section what you have stored. You take that section and go and open it, or you take that software and go and open it, and you can easily find it in any of the platform. You can work on it very smoothly. Number one. Number two, what it is says, security. What is the measure of security? Security database is very much secure, because when you will going to download, now I am saying you this particular thing that when you will going to download, I also show you in the program when I do the SQL database program that you have to give some password. Any type of password you can set during the time of downloading it. So when you give the password, that is a permanent password for your database system of SQL. Now, if I don't know your password, though I can open and work on an SQL in anywhere, but if I don't know the password of yours, I cannot open yours. I can open my on it in your platform and I can do my work, but not your work. I cannot touch your work, isn't it? So this is the thing what is being said. Security, very high security measures is there. Connectivity. Now how it will going to connect with a different language, like you will do a project in class, sorry, in class 12. Class 11 it is not there. Class 12 we will do a project where you, in backend you will going to use the SQL, in forend you will going to use the Python. Using this particular feature, what you can do, you can do your connectivity system. Like here we have API connectivity developer is there, different type of connectivity developer is there. So when you are using those different pattern of connectivity developer, you can work on query language. Query language means, suppose you have given a data. Now suppose you need to find out those the people who stayed in Kolkata, or the person who has an A positive blood group, or the students who are not continuing. Any type of database you can create. I'll show you